Hello, fellow crafters and paper artisans. It's Chandra with Stockton Stuff. I am here with the package that I received from my swap partner, my first swap partner in the Christmas in July. That's hosted by Scrappy Tate. You saw last week what I sent out to my partner, which was Scrappy Tate, my first partner. And then this is what I received from my first partner, which is Robin with Crafts I Heart here on YouTube. But look at this card. It is just really, really cute. The butterfly background and just all kinds of stuff behind it, and the jewels and the butterfly stickers and that silver hello. I just thought that was super cute. And the glitter, and then her little note, just basically she's saying she's excited to see what I'm going to make with my products that are in this package. So let's see if I want to be careful because I did watch her video, but you know, it always looks great in person. And these stars are really pretty. They are almost like they're textured, and they've got the foam dots on the back, and then these are foam snowflakes in silver and white. But I love these stars, so I hope I'm going to try to use everything. I've been thinking about it all weekend, and I'm like, I want to use everything. This ribbon has a tinge of burlap, and I love that combo with the red, green, and the burlap. That is super cute. I don't know if you can see that there. And I'm going to try to get all the little stuff out of the top first before I put the paper out. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I saw this on the video. So we got some treat bags here. Super cute. The snowflakes. And then this one with Merry Christmas, like a little jar. We got puffy stickers of little critters. There's even a fox on there, and we had to do snowmen, and there's snowmen on here, and then there's these that are like a glittery, they're a little bit 3D, and some gems that are like a gold or rose gold kind of color. I like that color. I love that. And then some silver ones. And then this is, I think, the ribbon pack, and I love this. So there's like garland, and then pink and teal, or mint green, and then gold, and then some beading. And then we got some cut aparts. I want to open them because I always like to see. I sent cut aparts in mine too, so I want to see what's here. That's pretty. Very nice. Very cute, very cute, very cute. Love it. And then we had to send rosettes and bows. It was part of the, look at those. That's pretty. That gold and pink. And then we got some holly that almost feels like it might be enamel. It's not paper for sure. I don't want to open it because I'm not ready to work with it yet. Ooh, look at these little reindeer heads. I hope that was in frame. And look at these little reindeer heads. That is super cute, and it kind of matches those gems there, kind of on that same color. So maybe it's bronzy, kind of like a bronzy color. This package is stuffed. I love it. Oh, look at, okay, so we got some 6x6 paper and some more cut aparts. And that, I've seen this, I can't think of the name of that, Santa Baby, I think, with the pink. Look at this silver paper. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Very cute. There's some pink here. We got some other pink embellishments. The pink deer and presents. That's so pretty. Wow. super cute. Yeah, that's something I might just make cards with, just because it's so pretty. I love the non-traditional Christmas, so this blue and red is everything right now. That is super cute. The snowflakes, and then there's some traditional, and some red and white, and then some green pieces. Oh, look at that. I don't think I've ever seen that before. With the reindeer antlers, it's like glitter craft. That's pretty. And then some black and white buffalo plaid. That's pretty too. Words, I think I'm missing a piece. I think I've had this pad before, and I love that one. So cute. Okay. All right, got my juices flowing, thinking, what can I do? Okay, so then we got some bigger pieces in here. Let's see if I can get this out. I think this was just a piece to make it sturdy. Yeah. Okay. We got that shimmery blue. Love that. This pink glitter. So just trying to think about some accenting there. Very pretty. And then some gold and some silver foil. And then look at this, is like a chevron almost with that silver. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but look at that's pretty. Then we got some traditional green and red. And then gold glitter. I hope I'm being in frame. I'm like lifting them up, looking at them myself when I'm supposed to be showing them to you. And then some gold foil cardstock. The other one was that. This is a matte and this was shiny, but this is more that paperweight, I think, from Michaels. I love this right here. This is like cardstock for real. And wow. This reminds me of those tablecloths that people use at weddings. That is so stinking pretty. Oh, what am I gonna make out of that? Gosh, that's gorgeous. Okay, whew. Now this is a crafty challenge. I love all of this paper. You know I'm a paper hog anyway. So, wow, okay, thank you so much, Robin. I am going to make you proud, I promise. And so my mission for myself is to try to use up. Oh, I missed something. Look at those gems. Let me make sure. Let's swing back through here. Okay, I think I got everything. It must have been just stuck to something. Those are super cute. So my mission is that I am going to use up every piece of this. I'm going to try my best. So we shall see what happens. So again, this is the Christmas in July. And I'm going to give you the timeline so you can watch out for our videos. So the timeline is, you saw what I mailed out, and now you've seen what I've received. And the next video will be our completed projects. And that video will be posted by July 23rd at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So, and like I said, my goal is to use up as much of this as possible. So I am up for the challenge. So stay tuned and check out the other collaborators. Thanks for watching.